everybody. Hope everybody is doing okay today. I have the last unboxing in my Amazon box. Not sponsored by Amazon, obviously. Bought all of these myself. This is the last one until more arrive, which that may happen any day. You never know around here. So this one I'm calling Butterfly Girl. You'll see when I open it up, I named Butterfly Girl. You'll see when I open this up. There's a girl and there's a lot of butterflies. So let's open this one up. I'm excited for this one. Let me open her up here. Looks like there are 28 different color diamonds in this one. Okay. Throw that away. Let's get out our diamonds in our kit. If you need any kits, let me know. I have tons. So yeah, there's that. All right. So, diamonds. And we have a lot of diamonds. Oh, they put a sticker and stuck them together instead of putting them in a bigger pouch, I guess you would say. Now I gotta try to find the opening to this one. I've never used this company before. This one was a different company. So little things are packaged a little different. There's the first pack. And I'm looking here to see. I'm not sure. No, these are just numbers, I think. These are just, the bags are just numbered. I don't see any codes or anything else on there. So this will be one where I will have to pay very close attention to when it's time to get it ready. And put the diamonds in the storage. I have to be careful with this. Because one of these videos, I failed miserably with that. And I had to do some double checking. But let's look at the colors. Look at all the colors. Oh. Yeah, how about that side? That side's better. All the colors. There's a lot of that color. Okay. Gonna fold these up, but I'm gonna be very careful not to fold the bags the wrong way and get a crease, and then it's harder to get the beads out when you cut the corners. Okay, here's a little one. Look at these colors. So pretty. Look at this. Excited. I'm excited. And then another ribbon of colors. So get those all folded up and in their bag. Butterfly Girl bag. There they are. They're ready. Butterfly Girl. It's ready to go in storage. This one wasn't rolled up. This one Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let's straighten up the middle crease here if we can. If we can do it. I probably should have rolled first, but I did not. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to get this plastic off. I'm going to get my fingers unstuck. Hey, Jill. Hold it on the side. That would be smart if I did. Now the side is sticky. Hey, but you know what? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. So, hey. We're partying. Okay. So, let's smooth. We got it smooth. It's smooth there. There's no wrinkles there. It's just a big fold. Hopefully, rolling will help that. Let's go this way. Maybe rolling it. I know it's sitting for a little bit, hanging up. It'll unflatten too. Not way concerned about it. So, let's try rolling. And if anybody has got tips or tricks, if you are a diamond painter, let me know in the comments if you have any. I am all for new tips and tricks, so that I can pass the information on. Okay, I'm gonna have to, I should have folded first. Now I gotta but it's okay. This is a short video anyway. So far it's only 7 minutes long. We have time. Loads of time. Okay, let me redo what I just did. And now my husband is snoring. Pardon his snores. He's tired. He works hard. Alright, that side is smooth. Okay, let's try this side one more time. We're just going to have that crease, but that should calm down. Alright, let's try one more time. Did that do it? Am I going to get any? Oh, only at the very end. Oh, and I fixed it. Yep. Alright, canvas is smooth. We are ready to hang this one up. Okay. There we go. She is ready when she gets picked to go to the next step. But I gotta finish a couple of paintings so I have room. I don't have much storage. My storage is limited. So, and with that, I'm going to say have a good day or evening, depending on where you are and what you are, if you're working or whatever. You may still be up if it's 3 o'clock in the morning. But if you're having a day, have a great day. And know that here you are welcomed, you are loved, you are respected. This is a safe space. There's no judgments here. We don't accept bullying nor trolling. You will be immediately blocked. Sorry, but we got to keep it safe, because this channel can be for anyone interested in Diamond Heart, and that could be even a 6 or 7-year-old. So, gotta make it a safe place. So with that, I'm gonna say good night or good day, and I love you. Please stay healthy and safe. We want you here. And know that you're appreciated. And don't forget to be a light in the darkness. Let your little light shine. We need it more than ever right now. Love you. Bye.